What is up, everyone? Happy Monday, Labor Day weekend. We are on Eglin right now, and we're gonna go exploring and see what kind of trails there are to walk around. We got Presley here. Say hi.
Hi.
You got my honey right there. Alright guys, we'll post videos and pictures and let you guys see what's up. We're gonna go to the splash pad here afterwards, let Presley play, have some fun, get wet, hopefully make some friends. Got our bun drinks here. This is the birthday cake one. It's super yummy. It's really sweet. Alright guys, peace out. Alright guys, this is where we're going. Got our jogging stroller. There's an actual trail, but it looks like we're gonna take this one.
Trail?
Alright. Kind of scared, but okay, let's do it. Look at, he's like got blue on him. Wow, that's cool. Oh, there he goes. Alright. Catch and release fishing only. Are you sure this is safe? No. No, you're not sure? Oh, Lord Jesus. Pray for us, y'all. Off-roading. Sparkleberry. These are the berries. I don't think we should try that.
I think I should try it.
I think that it might be poisonous and we shouldn't risk it. So we were noticing all this like mossy looking stuff everywhere, and that is what it's called. We're guessing, we're assuming. Alright guys, onward we go. Right next to the water. It's so pretty. So peaceful.
Pretty, yeah.
What do you think, babe?
Is it pretty?
Can you say pretty?
No.
No. Got a nice little bench here. This bench was funded through your recycling efforts. 1999. More of those berries. Time to cross the bridge. There's all kinds of spider webs. Just a couple. Oh, this is it? Yeah. Pretty. Yeah, it is pretty, babe. Love you. You're hot, babe. You want to go to the splash pad? You want to go play in the agua? Agua, yeah. Well, I asked for a hiking trail and I got one. We literally thought there was only like bike paths, like smooth, like, you know, little paths to go through. And there's actual hiking trails here. That's awesome. You ready to go play in the agua? Agua. Yeah, got your little swimming shoes, water shoes. Cutie pie. Got her troll swimming suit. Sun hat. You're ready to go. Let's go, babe. So this is the splash pad here on base. Da-da-da-da. Nice, there's kids. Oh no! Come here, come on, you can do it. There you go.
High five. You did it.
Yeah.
Now go back and play. Go play.
Whoa. What is she looking at? The clouds?
No, the
Oh.
spout. Agua?
Woohoo! Whoa! Say hi! Say hi! Go play, baby! It's okay! Han! It's okay! No, it's okay! It's okay!
Play.
It's okay! Go play! It's okay! Baby, it's okay! She wants to play! Go play! Oh my goodness! Why you be crybaby? It's okay! Hey, you're okay, I promise. I promise you're okay. She just wants to play. See? Go hold her hand. Go play. Go play. See? Go run. Go run. Still has that fear of stranger danger, I guess. She's still like, don't touch me. Stranger. Go run, baby. Go play.